Hello there, mate. Well, today I'm going to explain this model. There are, let's start with there is a one router and a switch, the four PCs, a server, a printer, and two VIP phones, and an access point, which is shows the small office design. We can there is also a description right there. If you can scroll down this project, this is the all the description that you have that what is done in this topology, and this is the some quick commands that is used in this project. As we know that we need to configure these all the things. So there is a simple thing we need to see if we want to see that what is pre-configured in these devices, in this router or a switch. So there is a simple thing. We need to go on the router and click enable in it, and then we run the command show run. Here we can see that which what are already pre-configured in this router. As you can see, these all the commands is run in the router. Please check it out how it is done, and you will see that it is not a big deal, just running some simple commands like encapsulation, IP addresses, or you can see that here there are four IP addresses it configured in one IP address like this. These are four networks is configured in at one port by using the encapsulation dot iq dot one q or dot one q command. Okay, and there is you can see that there are telephony service that is already configured in this. This is also this is these are the command that are written here. And if you want to see the switches, you can see type enable and run the command show run. Here you can see that what commands are running on this switch. There are eight ports used. First port is trunk, and other all the other ports are access mode. Well, there are the four departments are running, and you can see this device is assigned an IP addresses by the router by DHCP. As you have seen that when we start to configure the run command, there are these things are running on this. Please check it out, and please read all the things that are written in this. You will understand what are the topologies running in this network.